Hey, how you guys doing again? Today we're here in the backyard, in my backyard, and we got another do-it-yourself project. So I found this sprinkler head on the floor. I guess it broke from the in ground, and now we gotta fix it. So now what I gotta do is dig in to the ground and find the line, and then try to repair it. So here we go. So now we gotta keep digging. So after digging for a few minutes, I couldn't find the line. So what I ended up doing was turning the sprinkler system to the sprinkler on so I could locate the water leak more easier. So I'm gonna show you guys what exactly broke inside. So as you can see this is a riser. This piece broke. So we just got the new one from Home Depot, put Teflon tape in it. So now we're gonna, before we install this into here, we're gonna blow out this line so any rocks or sediments in there can clear out. So I'm gonna blow it out first, and then we're gonna install the lines. Install the line, the riser back into the sprinkler line. Now what I wanna do is install the coupling.
Here, Dad.
I already blew out the water line. Then I press this. Make sure you have Teflon tape on your ends. You don't need no tools, you could just hand tighten it. Okay. And then tight. And install this coupling. And then you install the sprinkler head. Remember, install Teflon tape, because plastic on plastic is not a good sealant. So install it. And now we're gonna run it to see if it works, no leaks. And now we have it running, no leaks. All I gotta do is adjust it to its proper settings and put the dirt back on. And all we did was spend, how much? $4 just to replace this. Now if you would have called the irrigation company or the sprinkler company, I don't know how much they would have charged, but either way you save money and you're learning on your own. It literally just took 10 minutes. That's it. So thank you again I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it taught you something. Thanks.